friends, welcome to Beauty with Karah, where we talk about all things beauty. This week I'm going to be doing a product review on Mary Kay's Targeted Action Toning Lotion. Well, hello there friends. So this week I'm going to be doing a review. So all of my reviews, I try a product for at least 30 days and then I give you a before and after of that product. So I wanted to do the Targeted Action Toning Lotion by Mary Kay. It's from their Timewise body line. So they did upgrade the package of this, which I will show you the upgraded version over there. And so I wanted to use up my last one in the old style because I did want to try this product out and I thought this was the perfect time since I did have one of the old style left. And I heard very good things about this, so I wanted to try it out. Okay, so the Targeted Action Toning Lotion kind of acts like multiple products in one. So not only does it keep the skin hydrated for 24 hours, but it is also formulated to fortify the skin's support structure and helps it to firm, tone, and tighten. So not only is it a hydrator and like a moisturizer, but it also helps tighten and tone the skin. So it says here that out of 4 women, 3 out of the 4 women who tried the product said their skin looked more toned, and it has an acai berry extract to minimize the damage from environmental stressors, and it contains multiple botanical extracts including pumpkin seed, argan seed, hawthorn berry, and coffee arabica seed, which target areas of concern. So I'm very excited to use this. So I'm going to show you guys a before of what my legs look like. So I'm actually going to put this on my legs, more like my thigh area, because I do have a lot of stretch marks and kind of loose skin around my thighs from losing a lot of weight throughout the years. So I'm going to show you a before of that and kind of how to use it, and then I'll show you an after. I did use this for more than 30 days. I kind of used it for 2 months because I didn't use it twice a day because I'm not the type of person who remembers to do something twice a day. So they say you can use this once or twice a day. Obviously if you use it twice a day, you're going to get more out of it. I used it once a day, so instead of the 30 days that I usually do a review on, I kind of did it for 2 months. And I kind of had other videos to record anyways, so I just did it for the 2 months. So I'll show you the before and after. So I did this either after my shower or while I was getting ready in the morning. So every morning I would put this on all over, and I kind of massaged it in, so I wasn't just putting it in, I was kind of massaging it as well. And I still have about this much of the bottle left after 2 months of use if I did it every day. I did use it mostly on my legs, but I did put it on my arms a few times as well, like right down here. I just kind of stuck to mostly the legs though, because I wanted to make sure I had enough to cover all of the area and to last me 2 months. But it's almost halfway, not quite. So I think it lasts pretty long, especially if you're only using it once a day. So, and I think I saw a difference. So you can let me know in the comments if you saw a difference and what you think of it. So here is the before and after. Okay, so I have the Timewise Targeted Action Toning Lotion here. This is actually the older looking bottle that I'm going to use. They just came out with a new version of this that has a sleeker bottle, so I'm going to use up the old one. So, and then I'll go get the new ones when they come out. So I am going to show you how I'm going to use this and my before and after. So right now, I'm going to use it for my legs because I've been losing weight and it gets a little, yeah. So we're going to put this on my legs. So I'm just going to take a little bit of this. This is the first day. So I'm going to take this. I'm going to massage it into my legs. I put a lot on. All right, a little goes a long way. Okay, so it's been about 2 months kind of the results I have. So the easiest way of doing this is putting a little bit in your hand, rubbing it together, and then really massaging it into the leg. So I try to get all the way around the leg and try to massage it in as much as possible. So I definitely think this helped the back of my legs, because the back of my legs kind of had a lot of cellulose at the beginning of these 2 months. But I was trying to also help the stretch marks on the inside, which I do think it did a little bit. They say that if you use the microdermabrasion on top of using this, it's going to help even more, which I did not do, but I might try that. So I can let you guys know what I found with that. Okay friends, so here is the before and after of me using the toning lotion for 2 months for about once a day, and I definitely saw a difference. I know it takes a while for stuff like that to actually start working its magic, so I'm definitely going to keep using it, and I'm going to add the microdermabrasion in to help with the stretch marks. So I hope you saw a difference as well. I know the pictures aren't the greatest, but I can tell that it got a little bit toner. So that's all I have for you today, and I hope you enjoyed this video. And if you'd like me to review a specific product, let me know down in the comments below, and I will try to do that. And of course, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell button for more videos every Thursday. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next week.